outstanding in that field. Where are we going? We went out there and we were outstanding in that field. And we looked down and saw soybeans. So now I am outstanding. I've been outstanding in a field of soybeans. Can't nobody ever say I've never been outstanding in the field of soybeans. Gunner was outstanding in that field too, but he's outstanding in catching flies. He's about to get him another one. Is he gonna fly? Gonna be making him fly, Gunner? Gunner, he's right here. Look. Look. If you didn't roll and poop, the flies wouldn't be so bad, you weirdo. We're full of fuel. And our trip mileage for the trip is 5,320. Here we go. Look at everybody trying to hold on to their hats.
Come on, gun.
You know what? You can manage a mask in these parts. Blow off. Everything is so expansive. Did you look up? Is that a word? Expansive? Billings. Babe, we're going to see Montana. Told you we'd one day see Montana, and we're fixing to do it. Luckily, the road ain't closed today.
For 119 miles, continue straight.
She said 119 miles. We'll shut her down for the night in North Dakota. Check that one off the list. Yeah, I'm saying it's 20, 30 mile an hour wind hitting their side. North Dakota oil field. They got sheds around their heater treaters. So dang it's cold up here. See the Painted Canyon Visitor Center. Oh wow. What's it say? Do not approach wildlife. Do not mess with the buffaloes. Did the wind get you there, guys? Man. Cowboy wants to go to the Cowboy Hall of Fame. The North Dakota Cowboy Hall of Fame.
Is that because right there?
Nah, that's Medora. Sully Creek. That's the Badlands Hotel. Medora Campground.
No, this is an old western town. I'm telling you.
Private residence. No authorized entry.
Dude, this is like awesome. Look at like this mountain ridge we got to keep us out of the wind when the wind's blowing.
We
This
are out of the wind pretty good.
Turn left onto Campground Trail, then arrive at your destination.
Pow, pow.
followed by a bandit. Look how the sun's hitting the mountains over there.
Look at it close.
Doing color mountains.
This is probably the most money you could ever see in your life.
They're $1 bills, silly. Alright, people. We're in North Dakota. It's 42 degrees outside, so we're percolating inside, trying to warm things up. The boys are warming. They're warming themselves up by the fire. There it is. North Dakota. It's 42 degrees out there.
Okay, put this under here, and then what color do you want to use?
Here.
Oh yeah, like that.
There's gallons.
Well, because I kind of got two in the stem and all that.
That's okay.
Guess what, Mama? So see how this has its veins in it? The veins? Well, those are making imprints in the thing. And when you color it, it takes your little chunks out of the ground and puts it on the paper.
And puts it transposes it onto the
Yeah,
paper.
Mama, look at this. Look at this. And look, you don't even know what's there.
No, but what
I learned this in pre-K. And right now we're going to go see Cal in Cal, what are we doing? Yep, I'm putting the sewage. Knew it. If I can open this thing! Can you help me? Yeah, I'm going to have to set down the GoPro. But it does have a clip on it. We need channel locks. Channel locks. Where are those channel locks? Right here. Oh, so handy. Like this? And you guys have a magnet and you guys can no. Oh yeah. Yeah. And that was so much easier. Don't show them in that. Watch out. Gotta dump the sewage. I'll go tell Daddy we're ready. We're ready! Oh, that's stinks. Daddy, what are we doing?
We're putting on South Dakota and North Dakota.
Oh,
Mount Rushmore.
let me show them where we're going. Right there. Well, we were...
Montana, we're right here in that bubble.
Yeah, now we're going all the way
I
over
don't think
to...
they can see. There you go.
Now we're going to right there. We're right here.
But we don't know where
Little
we're going in
bubble?
Montana yet. There's so much to
Over
do.
here.
Probably spend an extra day.
Oh yes, I
But it
got
was
freezing
40.
cold. I almost couldn't even. Whenever I woke up in the morning, I was like, I still want to go to sleep. Then whenever I tried to go to sleep, oh, it just kept on. It was so cold.